Sony continues its journey in the world of gaming monitors with a new model that's sure to turn heads. The Sony INZONE M10S pushes the boundaries with a 27-inch OLED display that can reach 480 Hz. A first for a screen of this type, designed for competitive gamers, it promises unmatched smoothness and responsiveness. This monitor has been designed to deliver outstanding performance in games that require speed and precision, while maintaining image quality. Exceptional thanks to OLED. The Sony INZONE M10S is designed to deliver top-notch performance for the most demanding gamers. Check out its features, innovations, and the benefits it can bring to your gaming experience right now. Link in the description for those who want to know its price and full specifications already. Sony has chosen a sleek and minimalist design here, breaking away from the previous models in the INZONE lineup, which takes aesthetic cues from the PlayStation 5. The screen is surrounded by thin bezels that maximize the viewing area, with a discrete compartment at the back to house the connectivity and cooling system. This design allows for elegant integration into any gaming or office setup. The stand of the monitor is a real asset with its circular base that allows for full rotation and offers great adjustability, while taking up minimal space on the desk. This stand is especially appreciated by competitive gamers who are looking to optimize their gaming space layout. In addition to its ergonomics, the INZONE M10S features an effective anti-glare treatment, reducing light distractions and improving user comfort, even in very bright environments. The build quality is also impressive, featuring sturdy materials that give a sense of durability and reliability. This screen features a 1440p OLED display, combining micro-lens array technology for better light rendering. The refresh rate gets 480 Hz, a feature that makes all the difference in shooting games and competitive titles where every millisecond counts. Thanks to its nearly instantaneous response time, gamers enjoy an ultra-responsive and precise experience. HDR compatibility allows for a more dynamic image, with brightness that remains impressive even though it varies depending on the usage conditions. The color experience is rich, with a wide spectrum of well-calibrated colors, ensuring vibrant and true-to-life images. On the connectivity side, it includes HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 2.1, but the lack of USB-C might bother some users who would have preferred more versatility for connecting various devices. An advanced FPS mode allows for optimized visibility in-game by adjusting contrasts and highlighting key elements, like opponents or objectives. The screen provides an immersive experience, perfect for fast-paced games like competitive FPS, with smoothness that you can feel at every moment. With its 480 Hz refresh rate and nearly instantaneous response time, it ensures perfect clarity of motion and completely eliminates motion blur. It also adapts well to solo games, providing a polished HDR rendering, and an excellent contrast for more narrative and immersive games like RPGs or adventure titles. The 24.5-inch esports simulation mode allows you to adjust the display to competition standards, which is a plus for players looking to train under optimal conditions. On the other hand, brightness management may vary depending on usage scenarios, and the burn-in warranty is limited to 1 year. This raises concerns about the product's longevity in case of prolonged use with static images. The software options of the INZONE M16 allow you to adjust various settings based on players' preferences with profiles predefined for different game genres. Sony has also included advanced contrast and color management to further enhance the visual experience based on each user's needs. In that regard, the competition, the Sony INZONE M10S stands out with its superior refresh rate, but some models offer better peak brightness or increased versatility. The visual experience and display speed place it among the best gaming monitors out there for competitive players. Some models, like the Alienware 500HZ or the LG Ultra JIR, offer alternative options, but the M10S's specialization makes it unique. Compared to many LED screens, the Sony INZONE stands out with its deep blacks and infinite contrast, typical of OLED panels. However, its brightness might fall short compared to some QD OLED models, which offer higher peak brightness. For gamers looking for optimal HDR quality and greater flexibility, it might be worth considering other options on the market. The Sony INZONE M10S is primarily aimed at competitive gamers looking for extreme smoothness and optimal responsiveness. Its sleek design, high-performance screen, and gaming features make it a benchmark in the esports monitor market. However, its high price and lack of USB-C might deter some users who would have liked more advanced connectivity options. If you're a gamer who's passionate about competitive FPS and titles that require fast reflexes, this monitor is a solid investment that can really improve your gameplay. For those looking for a more versatile screen, other alternatives may be worth considering. The link is in the description. Every click purchased through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Feel free to leave a comment to share your thoughts. And finally, like the video and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Ciao ciao.